Next. We are doing baptized today. I baptize you today. You know the Father and the Son.
I smoke today. Just doing water.
Next. Jesus. The Wakana. Jesus. I baptize you today. In the name of the Father, the Son, the rest. I will meet on fire. Your father there.
We don't even believe this on baptism self. See the way we start baptism and they drink person water like this.
No believe and live now. Now we go kill you for there. Never say they come baptize now with fire and Holy Spirit. Now when mind go day. When I come out for Rojo, I know they fear Jesus. Master, now you will baptize me today.
No, now you be John the Baptist. You will baptize me.
Okay, as you say.
John,
Master.
where is the bed that my father sent to come and sit on my shoulder after my baptism? When I go find the bed, come now.
We'll go find that bed.
Go find our bed. What I do now? What I do?
Follow us.
No, I go. How if you move?
Okay, follow us.
What I do now?
Now they say when I go bring bed, they bring a human being. Come.
I do now.
Master, the bed where you say mo go find. Now this man kill am.
I ain't kill
See
him.
am, he kill am, see him catapult.
Jesus.
Yes, sir.